The euro versus US dollar moved higher in the early US session, but is now rotating back to the downside and making a new session low. The pound versus US dollar also rotated higher and is rotating back to the downside as well. I'll go through those two currency pairs in this video from a technical perspective, so let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart of the euro versus US dollar, we started the day with the price trading above and below the 100-day moving average after finding support near a swing area down here. I'll show that in a little bit, but the price moved up to a high price that tested this swing area. The swing area is defined by different swing lows going back through here, forming this floor through here. We came down to the floor earlier this week on Monday and again on Tuesday, holding support against that level, but trading here today, we moved up to the high of that swing area, then rotated through that level, and this rebound to the upside came right back down to the low of the swing area, 1.16449. The price fell back below the 100-day moving average, and this time we saw increased momentum to the downside, trading to a new session low for the day and moving closer to this swing area. I'm going to take a closer look at this swing area. Going back in time, you can see the importance of this area from these different swing highs through here, here. Nice ceiling being formed right through here. Broke above the ceiling, moved higher, came back down to what was the old ceiling, now with floor. Found support, moved higher, came back down to it. Found support, moved higher, came back down to it, and through it right here, but could not sustain the momentum. Found support, moved higher. We're now moving back down toward that level, toward the 61.8% retracement, or that area between 1.1581 and 1.5195. The 61.8% is at 1.1592. Getting below that area would open the door for further selling. Risk now is a 100-day moving average. You don't want to see the price move back above the 100-day moving average. That just wouldn't be right. Let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. And like the euro versus US dollar, we did move lower earlier today and then rotated back to the upside. The rotation to the upside took the price above the closing level from yesterday's trade, which was unlike the euro. So the pound has seen greater support versus the euro. However, the 100 and 200 hour moving average up here near the 1.3442 level did give traders a reason to sell early against that level. The high price for the pound versus US dollar has reached 1.3438, just about 4 pips short of that moving average, those two moving averages, and since then we've seen a quick rotation to the downside. We have not been able to get below the low price from earlier in the day. That low price came in around the 1.3384 level. If we break below that level, then we look toward this trend line and this old high price right through here. That area, that level comes in at 1.33695. That would be the next target ahead of swing lows going back through this period right through here. I'll zoom out right here. You can see the importance of this area down here between 1.3323 and 1.3341. So sellers are trying to take back control in the euro. They are with the new low being made. The pound versus US dollar is testing the old low. We'll see if they can get through that and increase the bearish momentum. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.